Two 5-ounce cans of tuna and water, which I drained in here. I'm going to put a tablespoon of parsley, a tablespoon of chopped pickle, a tablespoon of chopped red or purple onion. I'm going to add a teaspoon of pickle juice to this, a teaspoon of Dijon. I'm going to do a little lime zest. You can do lemon. And I'm going to squeeze in half of that lime in here. Salt and pepper. And don't go too crazy on the salt because we're going to put cheese in here and also the mayo and the mustard in there, okay? And the pickle. I have a tablespoon of butter in this little bowl. I'm going to add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to make a paste out of this. Butter, by the way, was at room temperature, okay? I'm going to use sourdough for my sandwich. Use whatever bread you want. And I'm going to spread that butter on one side of each one of these. Spread it well, okay? We want this to grill nice. All right, cook it slow. I'm going to spread tuna on top. You can make this covered, which I am, or you can make it open-faced. It's up to you guys, okay? I'm going to add pickled jalapenos that are sliced to this. Absolutely optional, but... And now I'm just going to top this with shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to cover this so that the cheese melts. It's still on relatively low heat, okay? Check it out. Oh my gosh. The moment of truth. Wow. This is pretty special, guys. That tuna is perfect with all the things we put in it. The cheese on top adds so much, and that bread is grilled to perfection. Yummy.